Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am pre-planning or setting up my planner for September. I have my classic planner. Oh, I actually need to grab my social media planner as well. So I'm going to be setting up my Catchall and then my social media planner in this month. The first thing I'm going to do is, let me take the pages out. This one. Okay, so here is what's going on this month. So let's see. Labor Day, I do have Labor Day off. I'm actually going to use these monthly sticky notes from KellofaPlan. I don't think these are still available, but if you ever see these being released again from Heather, they're pretty good. So I'm just going to stick this here, and actually I'm going to write 4 in the corner and write Labor Day. I have no work this day, so that's good. 3-day weekend. Oh, I'm actually going to Disney on Friday, so I need to write that in. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I'm actually going like a half day. I'm getting out of work early. So Disney, leave work. I think I'm leaving at, I'm just leaving 2 hours early, so I'm leaving at 1:30 p.m. Okay, then next, let's see what else. Oh, autumn begins. Ooh, I think the weather's cooling down this week, but I think it goes back up again, but at least we get to enjoy a few days of cooler weather here. So first day of fall. So that'd be nice. I don't have any birthdays to celebrate this month, and I don't think I really have much else to write in here. No other plans. Oh, no, yeah, there is. My bad. Okay, so on the 12th, I'm going to Disney again. It is the Oogie Boogie Bash. So I got like tickets for that with some of my friends and my sister. So Oogie, oh gosh, I don't know how to spell that. Is it 2 O's? Boogie Bash. I'm leaving at, I think at 12. Am I leaving at 12? I think so. And then I'm gonna take the next day off because I feel like I'm gonna be really exhausted. I probably should have just taken a half day, but I usually take a day off from work, and that'll just be my day off for this month. So no work on Wednesday, and then I'll go back to work. Okay, so that is it. Oh no, did I mess this up? Okay, that is it when it comes to plans. Now I'm going to go get some other sticky notes, some of these smaller ones, and I am going to put down some other things. Like, okay, so let's see, I will use, maybe I'll use these hello. I'm trying to just use these up. So on Wednesday, I have some like Patreon stuff. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 Wednesdays. Okay. So here, I'm just gonna stick this under here. That'll be for this day too. And then this one. And okay, this one. So the first day it's going to be the planner workshop. That's for like all my patrons to attend. We do a Zoom. And then on this day, I forgot to write the dates. 13 and 12. And this one's 22. Okay. So then on the 13th, it's going to be game night. We usually play a game on that day, and then a live plan with me. And then on the 27th, it is a Zoom call. So depending on the tiers, those things will be going on. So that's Patreon stuff. And then next, I want to note I need to get like smaller sticky notes. I don't have smaller ones. Okay, I'm just gonna use these because again, I'm just trying to use these up. So I've been getting paid on Tuesdays, so I'm just gonna put my paydays on Tuesdays because I have so much on Wednesdays. And my paydays have been hitting my bank on Tuesday. So 4 paydays this month, in August it was 5, which was really nice. So I'm just going to put payday. This is just from my regular full-time job. And then I have a couple others that I'm gonna note too. Let's see, so I have one about here and then here. My other paydays. And here. Okay. And then oh, on this day we're actually doing I might do 2 boxes on this when I actually do a plan with me. Because we're actually gonna have a little celebration for my stepdad because he got a new job. So we're proud of him about that. All right, so I think that's about it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in my planner. That's basically all I do for setting up because I will decorate this. Actually, we'll decorate this. It's gonna be a little bit odd, but I usually decorate my monthly, so this spread, with my Patreon stickers for the month. And in September, they're going to be like Halloween themed because I like to be a month ahead. And the following month is October. So they're gonna be Halloween themed and it's a really cute theme. So I can't wait to actually put them on these pages. Again, it's gonna be Halloween in September, but for me, I don't mind. I already did a Halloween spread in August. September, I do plan on doing a Halloween spread in here. Halloween is just happening early this year for whatever reason, because I like it. So that's what's gonna happen. All right, so the next thing I want to do is figure out the spreads I plan on doing, which this might be a little bit, well, maybe a little tricky on a couple of these. So I know for sure on this week of the 12th, because I am going to the Oogie Boogie Bash, I feel like I need to do a Halloween spread here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Halloween, well, I'm going to Disney too, so Halloween Disney here. So you're gonna get a lot of those from me. Just cause Halloween Disney. I like to coordinate when I go to Disney in my planner. So far that's been working out. I don't know how long I'll be able to keep doing that. All right, so this week on the 22nd, that's the first day of fall. So this is gonna be a fall theme spread. And I kind of want to do a squad theme. So like with the girls. So squad fall spread. Okay, now the other ones, I don't know what I want to do because yeah, I don't know what I want to do. Okay, I guess I could do like a last summer spread here because I'll have Halloween here and then it'll be fall. So I'm going to do one last summer spread. I haven't decided yet which book that's going to be. Maybe Live, Love, Posh because I still got a good amount of stickers from there. So summer spread here. I'm so ready for summer to go. For me, I live in San Diego, so summer, not good. It's hot, it's humid, it's gross. But fall, winter, all the other seasons, nice. We don't really have fall. We don't really have winter. Well, we definitely don't have winter. Not like how other states have it. So I really like fall and winter. I know some people don't because you guys have to deal with all that snow. But we don't get snow here. We have to drive to places that get snow to see the snow out here in California. And I don't go to those places because I don't like going to the snow. But yeah, I'm really excited for summer to be gone and for us to have our just regular weather again because summer is just terrible. And I'm really looking forward to not having to use my AC anymore. All right, so this is the last week. This is the one I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so it'll be a fall. I already do like a fall spread here. I guess I could just do, you know what? I should get in some fall spreads because October I'm not going to be doing any fall themed. I'm just going to be doing Halloween themed. So I guess I should just do a fall spread here. Fall spread. I have a bunch of fall stickers, so I'll do some kind of fall-ish spread there. All right, so that's it. I just wanted to pre-plan in my monthly, so I got all that done, and then kind of pre-plan, figure out the sticker book situation that I plan on doing. This is all like subject to change if I get a new sticker book or something else comes out or something comes up. But for now, at least I kind of have an idea, and that's why I like pre-planning the ideas and themes for my spreads, because I used to not do this in the past, and sometimes it would take me forever to figure out what I was going to do. So it's nice to have a little bit of a plan, and if it changes, that's okay. All right, so that is it for my catch-all planner. Now I'm going to work on my, what is it, social media planner. I almost forgot what this is called. All right, so, why did I put birthday there? That's so weird. I have no idea why I put birthday here. I think that's a mistake. I probably was using it as an example. But this is what I use for social media planning. It is the teacher layout. Now I'm just going to change this up a little bit. And then I use, this is a, it was like a student, oh geez, I can't even remember the name of this, but it's like an hourly student planner. And I use this just to keep the schedule of like calls that I have to do, releases that happen at certain times of the day, just to keep me on track with that stuff. This is just a very boring section in here. I really don't do anything in there, but over here I am going to change this up a little bit. I'm actually going to go grab a book that I don't really use very much, so that way I could fix this side of the page. So I'm grabbing a book that I don't even use anymore because we have so many boxes from like Jojo, and then all the other books always have boxes in it that I never grab any of the Happy Planner ones. So I'll just use these. These will be, actually let's just leave it in here. Yeah, these will be good to use in this because it's actually kind of perfect. All right, so I'm just going to cover this up. If you've seen these videos, you know that I just cover these because this is a teacher planner and it is set for like just a Monday through Friday schedule, and I need Monday through Sunday. All right, so I'm just gonna use these boxes. I really like the size of these, so I'm gonna use these, just alternate the colors. For me, I really don't mind if it is colorful and yeah, like just all over the place. It doesn't matter as long as I get the boxes on the page. That's all that matters. And I'm just going to relabel this section to the categories that I like to track in here. Okay, so the first one is YouTube. Next is Patreon, affiliates, and then Instagram, and then kind of like miscellaneous stuff over here, anything else that comes up. All right, so that's how I relabel that, and then I'm just going to, let's see what date starts. September on a, I think it's this one, the 4th. Is that what it starts with? The 4th. Yeah, because the other section will have the other week. Okay, so it's the 4th here. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And you could relabel this with stickers if you have any of those like dated sticker books. You could put Monday and then put the date here. Honestly, I just like to just put the number. I don't really need Monday through Friday. Monday, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I believe that is correct. 8, 9, 10. Okay. So yeah, that's basically what I do is I just cover up these dates. I'm just gonna continue on with this whole process of covering. I probably should write the dates. Look, I have the dates here and I could just look at them here first, write them down, and then cover them up so I can make sure I'm not doing it wrong. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. All right, and then I'll cover it up. That's probably an easier way to do this instead of double checking it on the calendar. All right, and then I'm just gonna continue on with green until I've used up all these stickers, because I'm also trying to do that too, where I'm just trying to use my stickers and complete. It would be cool to complete a book. Like, I've never done that before, but I think I've been close to doing it, but I've never completed a whole entire book yet. So that would be a nice accomplishment, to actually use all the stickers in some way. Like, I could totally use these little check mark things. Like, maybe I can use them. Maybe I could start putting them down here. Let's see how this will look if I put one here. I kind of like scatter them a little. I don't know, I guess I could do that to try to use them up. Kind of alternate the colors a little bit too. So you got this like darker green. Okay, that kind of works. I used up a bunch of these. All right, cool. So that's it for that one. I'm just gonna continue on. I have a few more boxes here left. I still have some little like checklist stickers. These are also good to use too. Oh, I can stick some of these in there. Yeah, I think I can use up a good amount of these. These are too big, so I probably want to use these or these. But I really like this size for this whole process. All right, so I was able to finish that one page. I can take it out, so that's good. And I did have to use a couple of different sizes, but to me, that's okay. It's all about just relabeling and using stickers. So this is kind of like what it looks like at the end. And that's how I do my social media planner, or the setup for my social media planner. All right, so that is it. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching me set up my planners for the upcoming month. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.